To increase text box size in Canva, let me come over to the text tab here on the object panel, and you want to click on add a text box. Now I'm going to put in my text here. I will paste my text and close this out. You can see from here that the size of my text is 18. I'm going to click out of the text box so that it allows me to change it. Now I'm going to click back in. There are so many ways to go about this. You can choose to pull this part. Just take a look at what is going on here when I pull it. You see it begins to, but notice that if I pull this part, nothing is happening. But if I pull this again, you see my text size begins to change. But if you have a particular text size in mind, we can use this plus sign to just increase it like so. Or let's click out of the text box and click back in and click into here. We want the text box size to be 150, and we're going to type that in here. And once you have that type, you enter on your keyboard and you see that the text box has increased in size. You can see all the text box. If you want to close this inside, we can see all our text at once if this is the same size we want to use. If I go to advanced settings and I close the line spacing in, you see my text begins to flow in together, and you can see all my text on the page. This is how to increase text size in Canva.